Yawning, accompanied by teary eyes. You might find yourself yawning, often accompanied by teary eyes. This is your body's way of releasing and expressing the energies it has absorbed. It doesn't necessarily mean that by yawning, you're contaminating yourself, rather, it indicates an energetic dynamic, an exchange. This exchange sometimes involves you giving out energies, which can occur when you have a slightly heavier or more charged energy. So, as you yawn and your eyes tear up, it's often a sign that the effects of nausea and headaches are gradually subsiding. It's a natural process of your body adjusting and releasing the energies it has encountered. Let's explore the ninth and final indicator for today.